All right, fellow XRP investors, how are you doing? So real quick video here for you. I'm not able to be at my desk and show you all the charts and everything, but it is just flipped. We are now entering into new green candle territory for XRP right now. XRP, as of recording this video, here about 10 or 11 o'clock on Dallas time, Monday morning, is about $2.14, up about 2%. So what I want to talk to you about is the fact that FOMO, fear of missing out, is about to kick in. It's already kicking in a little bit. Sentiment has changed. What is sentiment? It's how people feel about XRP, how they feel about the crypto market in general. The tide is turning. I've been talking about this and alluding to this in other videos, but again, I really want to stress to you that it is flipping. So there's a lot of things going on as it relates to the Bitcoin charts, the altcoin charting. So if you kind of look at each of those, on the Bitcoin side, yes, I know this is an XRP video, but we're going to talk about how this directly correlates to XRP. Liquidity is starting to ease up, coming back into Bitcoin. It is just recently, in the last couple of days, thrown its fifth golden cross in about the last 10 plus years. Every single time we've gotten a golden cross from Bitcoin, it is bunched, it is pumped, not bunched, pumped dramatically, and pulled the rest of the altcoin market with it. So there's a lot going on kind of at that Bitcoin level. Bitcoin is 58.5% of the entire crypto market capitalization is Bitcoin, which is why I do look at it. It is relevant. XRP doesn't follow it directly all the time, but there is a correlation. So now let's talk about the altcoin market. Altcoins were down 41% in the year 2025, just last year. Thank God that's behind us, right? XRP was down 12% from the beginning of 25 to the end of 25, 12%. The altcoin market was down 41+%. Okay, the altcoin market is now, if you look at it as a whole, and you look at the charting around that, it is bouncing. It has bounced off of its trend line. Last 4 times it's done this, kind of in the previous 5, 6, 7+ years, we've seen major bounces. So it's bouncing off of its bottom kind of support level. Its trend line is starting to move back up. I shared a tweet on this the other day. You can go look at that if you want to over on my X. There'll be a link in the description below if you want to go follow me on X, because I do put out different content over there, charts, things of this nature. So go follow me on X. So what does this mean? Let's bring this back to XRP, kind of land this plane back in the XRP arena. It means that FOMO is about to start kicking in. Okay, what is FOMO? Fear of missing out. It means retail liquidity capital starts to flow back in. People start to wake up and go, oh man, it's running. I gotta get in. You and I both know you should already be in. Okay, you should have already bought your XRP. There's nothing wrong with buying XRP right now if you're planning on holding it for 6 months, a year plus, or whatever it may be, and locking in and making some significant profits. But a lot of you guys own XRP at much lower price points. So I'm simply saying, all the charts, all the technical analysis, a lot of the the more macro analytics associated with Bitcoin, associated with altcoins in general, are all turning green, and we're about to start seeing FOMO. We're about to start seeing a massive liquidity injection coming in to all the major altcoins: Ethereum, Solana, XRP, Cardano, so forth. Okay, we're here to talk about XRP. XRP with its utility and what it does associated with the Ripple, with Ripple and the money transfer, new financial rails, all that. This stuff is lining up. Oh, by the way, there was some breaking news that came out the other day. It looks like we've got about 12 days to go before we could have the Clarity Act signed by Congress, signed off, and then it goes to Trump's desk. That is going to unlock a tremendous amount of cash, liquidity, capital that's going to start coming into crypto. By the way, we've already seen the XRP ETFs do, I think the last number I saw was doing over 1.5 billion asset under management. That's how much money's flowed into the XRP ETFs. Solana ETFs have been doing well as well. And the ETFs are going to be kind of the first footprint, if you will, where you're going to see a lot of institutional money start to flow into them. We're already seeing that, just like we see it with Bitcoin ETFs, Ethereum ETFs, because a lot of organizations out there, like pension funds, things of that nature, they are, because of their bylaws, they're not necessarily allowed to hold those assets direct. They can't necessarily go buy XRP, or they can't go buy Bitcoin. So what do? They can buy these ETFs and have indirect exposure to crypto assets like Bitcoin, XRP, so forth. So that's interesting.